Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to talk about how we'll prepare for Google Cloud Workspace Administrator exam. So I'll explain you what would be the important URL, which area you want to prepare. So all these points I'll discuss a little bit more about that so that it will help you to prepare for this exam and you successfully pass the exam. So let's go ahead and discuss about the steps. So as you can see, one of the Medium article which I have written, Google Workspace Administrator exam step by step guide to successfully pass. So first, this link URL I'll provide you in my description box. So highlight the target, or the aiming to become Google Cloud Workspace Administrator. What's the rule? To understand what activity you have to perform, what will be your responsibility to work on it. So the exam will help you to understand, also be ready for the job ready. Like if you are getting a profile to work admin, then how to handle that. So basically it will help you, right, to ready for the job. So that's why exam which will help to prepare for job, if I'll say like that. If you will prepare for exam, you'll prepare for job. So ultimately if you will prepare for this exam, then definitely lots of things you will learn, and as for the demo you'll get to know that lots of things. So first you Google Workspace, what are the area, what topic we have to cover, like Gmail, calendar, drive, doc, sheet, slide, meet, chat, all these area. Apart from that, Google Workspace for the identity and authentication we are using to create users, group and organization unit, all that. So that all the point which I have highlighted over here. And the other thing, like how many percentage wise it will come for this exam, and what are the point it will cover. So that section wise which I have mentioned, like managing object, what or the topic will cover on that particular area, and how many percentage question will come from that, right? So the details which have mentioned over here. And then if we little bit scroll down, then as you can see, the prepare based on Google Cloud Administrator exam guide. So this is very important. Don't go here and there. Based on the exam guide, you will start preparation. And then basically if we'll talk about the Google Workspace, then definitely you'll log into the admin google.com. This is the URL to explore a little bit more about the what exactly you have to do. Once you log in, then try to explore all these options are available, right? So one live demo which I have created, one video, all these you can follow that video, right? And all the training materials URL which I have provided to help you how you prepare for the Google Workspace Administrator exam. So I hope this video will be helpful to prepare for your Google Workspace Administrator, and all the best for your exam. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get more video like